These are the elevators here at the SkyTrain, the Sky Harbor International Airport in Phoenix, Arizona. These are Dover. Also serves the Terminal 2 walkway. Here we go. Here at 3. Capacity is 4,000 pounds.
SkyTrain. Going down.
2. This is ceiling, tile floor, walls, metal handrail. Firefighter's operations cabinet, fireman hat, key cabinet, your fixtures. This is the mezzanine level.
Floor 2.
Looks like almost nothing here, so let's go back down to 1. There's the speakerphone. Didn't hear it back at 1. Just watch the button go out, and the button goes out.
Terminal 2.
There it goes. And that's it.